Okay, it's another LA adventure, and today we're in Pasadena. We are decorating for the Rose Bowl on a float. So you're gonna go with us throughout the day as we decorate on one of the floats. I think we're on the Army float. It should be a lot of fun, so let's go do that. So here we are, we're working on G.I. Jane. There you go. This is the Army float. And these characters, the statues on here are all real people. This is so much fun. This is all seed. Well, that's a wrap for the day. We had so much fun working on the floats here for the Rose Bowl parade. I know you guys think that, well, a lot of people think there's not much to do in LA, but all you got to do is get on the internet. There's lots of volunteer opportunities. Today we were up in Pasadena, again, working on a float. They take all kinds of volunteers, doesn't cost a thing. Just get online, sign up for it. Yeah, it's only once a year, but there's a lot of other things to do here in LA. So get out and see LA. Don't forget to watch the Rose Parade on the 1st.